Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you guys can create a Discord server. So it's pretty simple. So for creating a Discord server, you can click on this plus button which is at the right side. After clicking on this plus button, it's going to show you whether you want to join a server or create your own server. So you can click on create my own, which is at the top over here. Click on create my own, and after clicking on create my own, you can choose the option from for a club or community or for me and my friend. You can choose whichever you want. I'm going to click on for me and my friends because I'm creating a server for my friends and me to hang out. So I can click on this, and this is going to be my server's name. I can upload a server photo as well, but if I don't, I can just click on create, and boom, my server has been created. So that's basically how you create a server on Discord. Now I can invite my friend over here for them to join or create channels, whatever I want. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe and notification turned on to our channel, because we post content like this so to get notified for a future video. Be sure to subscribe and notification on, and I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.